guys, it's me, Ursula Thomas, and welcome back to my channel. So, today, guys, I wanted to do this with you guys because I've been telling you guys how I'm really, going on, a true healthy journey. Not so much losing weight, but just to be healthy, mind, body, soul, and spirit. So, with that being said, I wanted to do this unboxing with you guys. I opened the top of it up, and then I thought, you know what? I'm going to wait and just do the unboxing with you guys. I ordered this. What is this? L Cook Juicer off of Amazon, y'all. Child, me and Amazon, we gonna have to break up. But anyway, this YouTuber that I actually follow, she had it and she was juicing. And I thought, my God, I really do like that. And so I went on her Amazon store. Y'all know my bargain hunt. I went on her Amazon store and they actually had it $15 off. I think originally the price was like 50 some dollars. So I ended up actually getting it for 35. So I hurry up and clicked and order it. I hadn't went through it, but this is it's like the measuring cup or something like that. And so we're going to actually pull the juicer out and we're going to test it out. So this, guys, oh my goodness, is the actual juicer. I don't know if it comes in different colors or anything like that. I actually had a juicer a long time ago. I forget, it was one of those Jack or something like that juicer. It was so big and so clunky and I never used it, but my mind was not, I guess you can say, where it's at right now. So that's it. I pulled the juicers out. You guys see, that's all that's left. So I'm going to put this back in there. We're going to continue to take the juicer out. I'm so excited, guys. I cannot wait. I like the size of it. It's a pretty decent size. And it actually comes with, just press it down. I'm going to have to read to see what I'm doing, guys. But I'm assuming that you put your... Oh, okay. I'm assuming you put your... Okay, yeah. You put your... This probably... Okay, so there you go. I don't know what this is. I guess this is a divider, but I will read. But I got to clean it up. Once I clean it up, guys, we're going to juice. I just got back from the gym. So this perfect timing. We're going to juice. I will be right back. Let me clean her up. Okay, guys. So I want to kind of break this up. So what I did was... I want to show you the pieces before I assemble it. I got my celery, lemon, and my apple. I got it soaking. And I got it soaking in apple cider vinegar instead of my white vinegar because I didn't have any. And I wanted to clean, so I did have this on hand. So I just went ahead on and soaked it in the apple cider vinegar. Now, I want to show you the parts right quick. So it's pretty easy to come apart. You know, this is the grinder and everything. And I'm just kind of trying to show you and then put it back together. Because they said, one thing they did say was wash it thoroughly. So I did that. I washed it and washed it again. And then I let it sit. This was the part that came on top of the grinder that your juice, gonna come out of. So we're gonna just politely put her back in her place. Let's see. Wait a minute now. Let me see how to do this now, y'all. Hold on. I tell you what, let me reassemble it. Let me show you the parts and then I don't want to take too long. Let me reassemble it. Then the next we have this part, which I'm sure is where the pulp and all that start gonna come out at. Then of course I showed you guys the cup that's gonna catch the juice. And then this to push it down. So let me assemble it, cut up my fruits and veggies. Then we're going to come back, we're going to get the juicing. All right? Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so the recipe I'm using today is very simple. I got it from my daughter, cause I'm just kind of getting back into it. Like I said, years ago I had one, but I didn't use. But my mind writes about healthy living, y'all. So I'm gonna tell you what I did. I just cut up a whole green apple, a half of a lemon. Now, when I do the lemon, y'all, I do the whole because I want all that goodness. So I do the whole. That's why I have to clean it real good. And I did a whole green apple and 3 celery stalks. So with that being said, we're off and get the juicing. Okay, that was an adventure, but I'm sure it's gonna get better. But I don't know if y'all remember when I thrifted this. My goal is to juice enough where I can have this picture and like throughout the day just kind of sip on it. So of course that's gonna take a minute, but let's try it out. Remember I got the matching lid. I thrifted this. I showed you guys this a while ago. But anyway, this is our juice. So let's test it out. Yeah, I'm nervous, y'all. I'm nervous. So here's the juicing. Weirdly enough, it tastes salty. I don't know why it tastes salty to me. I can taste that lemon. Oh, I should have put some ginger in it. I definitely can taste that lemon. I don't taste the apple really, but overall it's pretty good. So here's the juicing. If y'all have this juice, let me know what you think. This is my first time ever using it. It was a little loud, but that could have been me doing something wrong. And if y'all saw stuff was popping out of it, but overall, guys, I'm excited. This is pretty tasty. Plus, I know celery is really good for you. I know a lot of people just do celery juice, but I have to have, just me getting into it, have to have a little bit more than just celery juice. But here's to good health and good juicing, y'all. Bye. I love you guys. Be the solution. And a thrift haul is coming. Bye-bye.